The opposition Congress in Meghalaya today met Governor Satyapal Malik to discuss Inner Line Permit, ILP and Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA. Speaking to reporters after meeting the governor, leader of opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma informed that during the course of interaction with Malik, he told him that there was need to implement ILP in Meghalaya after the parliament passed the Citizenship Amendment Act CAA in December 2019. Dr. Sangma also told the governor that if the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Bill is delayed, the opposition Congress subscribed to the idea of recalling it and ensure that Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act 2016 in its original form be implemented immediately.
Demand for the implementation of inner line permit under the purview of the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 and implement it in the state of Meghalaya. This demand for ILP, which was spearheaded for a long time by some of the premier NGOs of the state, particularly the student bodies, have grown louder and louder after the enactment of the contentious Citizenship Amendment Act, as you all are aware. In fact, it became more intense, and the demand for ILP echoed from across the state, based on which, after an in-depth analysis, looking at the genuine apprehension of the people as they are anticipated to unfold after the Citizenship Amendment Act, you will remember that all the political parties in the August House in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly took a unanimous resolution, adopted a unanimous resolution to urge upon Government of India to include Meghalaya under the purview of the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 and implement ILP. Now this pending. There was an assurance from the state government by the Chief Minister himself that they will pursue aggressively and prevail upon Government of India and see that it's considered and implemented in the state of Meghalaya. Now that should be taken up because this is based on the genuine apprehension of the people post enactment of Citizenship Amendment Act, and keeping in mind, the importance of the state from the geopolitical perspective, with a long international border with Bangladesh and long interstate border with Assam, and the demographic changes that the region as a whole have witnessed in the preceding decades. Therefore, these concerns were appropriately articulated in my letter, the copy of which I will share with all of you, so that you will have what is the points that I have tried to articulate in the letter. And at the same time, urge upon, I have briefed him on the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act. Now, if you recall, the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act was a culmination of a very exhaustive, long-drawn engagement with conglomeration of different civil society organizations to deal with the contentious issues and challenges associated with influx, illegal immigration, and therefore, the concern, safety and security of our people, including, the concern about the likely demographic changes which have been witnessed in different parts of northeastern region.